Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to send spreadsheet file in Google Drive to Gmail. So here I've already opened my Gmail. So what you need to do is you just can click on Compose and to send the file from your Google Drive. At the bottom, you'll find the Google Drive icon. This one's right here. Insert file using Drive. Click on that. And then here you can just choose the spreadsheet files that you want to send, for example this one, and then click on insert, and the spreadsheet file from your Google Drive will be attached right here, and you can just type in the subject and click on the recipient, and after that you just need to click on send. Okay, so just like that, the message and the spreadsheet file has been sent to your Gmail and to others Gmails that you click on the message. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial.